What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're going to write the equation of the hyperbola in standard form with vertices at -4, 5 and -4, -1. And foci, foci this time, at -4, 7 and -4, -3. Once again, let's get a rough sketch going. All right. So we've got -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is one of my vertices. And then we got -4, -1, so that'd be the other vertex right there. My foci are at -4, 7, so another 2 up. And I'll make those green as I've done a lot. And then we're down at -3. So 1, 2 more. All right. There we are. Well, I know that this thing's going to look something like this. It's going to be opening up and down to get those foci in there, and based on where my vertices are at, right, they're changing vertically, so it's going to be opening up and down. So next thing I need is my center. Where's my center here? It's the midpoint of the -4, 5, and the -4, -1, or even the midpoint of my foci, and that's going to be at, let's see here, that's a distance of 6, so we're going to be right here at -4, +2, -4, comma 2. We have my answer there. I could also use midpoint formula with any pair of those 2 points, whether it be my vertices or my foci. Midpoint with those is going to get me -4, comma 2. Now I can start putting this thing together, right? Well, it's opening up and down, which means it's going to be y minus 2 quantity squared over something, and then it's going to be x minus -4, so +4 squared over something equals +1. So what are those somethings? Well, remember, our A value is from center to vertex. And how far is this A value right here? That's going to be 3, right? From 2 to 5 is going to be a distance of 3. 3 squared gives me 9. All right. Then I need my B value. I don't have that plotted here, but I do have my distance from the foci to the center, don't I? From foci to center. That is going to be 5. Okay, if I count that out from 2 all the way up to 7, that's 5. So now what we can do is we can say, hey, 3 squared plus my B value squared is equal to my C value squared, which is 5 squared. And we can do some Pythagorean theorem and solve, or you might even just notice right now, this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, right? With my C value being 5. All right, if you're thinking a little bit geometry, I'm always thinking geometry, but we can go ahead and solve this out. So we've got this, that's 25. And then I'm going to have B squared is equal to 16, square root on both sides, and I get B equals 4. But really, I wanted that B squared value anyways, right? Because that's going to be 16 right there. Do I have my equation in standard form? I absolutely do. We are good to go. Last check, it's opening up and down, starts with the Y, that's good. I got my center, perfect. I didn't mix up my X and Y, so it's easy to do that. Okay, so I think we're Gucci. We're Gucci, as you guys say.